Welcome to Study Loop.
This is the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 45 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. This problem says, draw the product formed when pentanoyl chloride is treated with each reagent. And so I've drawn pentanoyl chloride at the top of the screen here. It's just a 5-carbon acid chloride. And so these are all going to be substitution type reactions where whatever is acting as our nucleophile is going to replace the chlorine in this chloride, in this acid chloride. Okay, so for A, we have water and pyridine. And so that's going to make a carboxylic acid. Okay, and so we end up with the carboxylic acid here. For B, we're using ethanol and pyridine. And so instead of a carboxylic acid, we're going to end up with the ethyl ester. Okay, for C, we're using a carboxylate ion. And so this is going to give us the anhydride. So we're using an acetate. And so we are going to get the mixed anhydride with the 5-carbon chain on one side and the 2-carbon chain on the other. All right, so there we go. For D, we're using an excess of ammonia. And so that is going to give us the amide. Okay. Moving on. In E, this time we're using an excess of diethylamine. And so we're still going to get the amide here. We're just going to get the diethylamide. Okay, and so lastly for F, this time we're using a primary amine, and we're still going to get an amide, and it's just going to be the amide with the aromatic ring on it. So. Okay, so there we go. These are all substitution reactions starting from pentanoyl chloride. We will get the substitution product, depending on the nucleophile that's used in each reaction. And that's the answer to Chapter 22, problem number 45.